Welcome to Excel for Work video 3. Cells, rows, columns, and worksheets finally clear. Let's make Excel feel a little bit more logical. A cell is a single box where you enter data. You can type text, numbers, formulas, dates, percentages, and a whole other array of data into a cell. A row runs horizontally, whereas a column runs vertically. When you click on a cell, you can look at the name of the box over here. This tells you the cell's address. For example, this is cell B9. We can see that because column B intersects with row 9, therefore that is B9. This becomes very important later when we use formulas. At the bottom, just to re-emphasize, worksheets allow you to separate information. So for example, we may be able to have different months at the bottom. This may be January, February, March. Or we might have sales, cost, and GP. So the worksheets at the bottom that form the workbook can all come together, but each sheet can have separate information. So you might use one sheet for sales, another for expenses, and another for summaries. You don't need multiple files, or as I've mentioned, workbooks. Excel is designed to keep things organized all inside one workbook. In the next video, I'll show you how to enter data and format that data properly so that your spreadsheets do not look messy or confusing. And that is it for this lesson. I will see you in Excel for Work lesson 4.